Today I'm going to be talking about my Makita XT or XDT13. It's my favorite impact driver that I've used. It's an 18 volt, 3 amp hours. It's great. I have a drill as well, but today I'm going to be specifically talking about the impact driver. I've had this for like a year. It's been great. It's great for what I do, what I use. Build sets every day, build shows, design shows, and Makita is a great tool. It has very good LED light on the front. It has plenty of power. It also has 3 speeds in the trigger, which is great. It also lets you know when it's getting too tight, and works great for me. The only thing is you gotta be careful, you gotta understand it. It does have a lot more power than a lot of other impact drivers that I've used. Craftsman, DeWalt, Hitachi, Milwaukee. I feel like the Makita is the best. That's my opinion. I've used a variety of different ones. I'm gonna demonstrate its power for you. Those were Starbit wood screws, 3 inches, going into 3 2x4s or 2 2x4s, and it goes in quick. It's really fast. It comes out really quick as well. And there we go. It's great. Price is pretty good for what you get. It'll last for a long time. It's a brushless motor. I would definitely recommend getting the Makita impact driver. It depends on which one you need. Depends on which one you're gonna get. This is perfect for what I need. So do some research, figure out which one works for you. I love my Makita. I just want more Makitas. You know, the Makita life. Alright, give you another review tomorrow. Stick with it.